Yo, what's up guys, and today I'm gonna be telling you how can you earn money from Instagram, so let's cut the crap and get straight into it. Now, to get the most out of this video and not to get distracted by something else, click the full screen button right now and watch this in full screen. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Yo, what's up guys, I'm Reinis and I want to tell you a little bit about me. I'm a social media influencer, and on this page I'm teaching you how to further your income and impact with social media. Let me tell you this, I have a page with over 10,000 followers, and that's my main income. That's my main source of income currently. And I have a lot of experience monetizing that page, and I'm gonna tell you how I monetize it, how you can monetize it, and yeah, everything about that. So with monetization, a lot of people are looking at YouTube because it has ad revenue, AdSense, whatever you want to call it. But the problem with that is, shit, like literally nobody gets money from it. You can get, you know, like $40, $50 a month, okay, that's cool, but you're not gonna be making the big money out of that. The real big money happens actually in sponsors, but there are different ways to get money if you're not big enough to acquire sponsors. One of it would be starting your own brand line, creating your own product. As well, you could be doing affiliate marketing. A lot of people are talking about this. I'm not that big of an expert in there, but I know how it works. With getting sponsorships, I did a video explaining how exactly to get sponsorships, because this is a kind of tricky subject. A lot of people mess it, like they just do it completely wrong. They just fuck it up entirely. So I want you to do it right. And after this video, check it out. It's gonna be the top link in the description. But in a nutshell, guys, if you want to get sponsored by somebody, you must show them proof that you can get them money. The only reason why anybody is sponsored is because they bring money to the company. If they don't bring money, they're cut from the team. That's just how it works. Second thing, I talked about building your own product, and for this it's much harder because you need to earn trust. You have to have a pretty solid personal brand, and by this I don't mean to have a huge personal brand with a lot of followers. By this I mean solid one, a brand that is trusted, a brand that has loyal followers. It's not that easy to gain, but once you do, you can make seriously big money out of this, especially if you're like a musician or something like that. Like for example, Logic, you know, the musician Logic. That kid, like, that kid's out there killing it. Like, his fan base is so loyal. He can just put out, I don't know, like a fucking dildo with his you can put out a dildo with his name on it, people are gonna buy it. But this is how strong of an audience you must create. And let me tell you this, it's not easy, it takes time. So don't get into this like thinking, oh yeah, after one day I'm gonna be earning $100,000, right? It's not gonna happen, it takes time. To build trust, you need to build content, and I'm always saying this. Content builds trust, trust builds relationships, relationships bring in revenue, and this is the path you're gonna go through to earn money. So with your own product, you really want to build trust. You really want to build trust, and you really want to build authority in the niche. Like, I'm gonna be exposing myself right now. I'm selling coaching calls. This is my, from this page, it's pretty much my main income. I'm selling coaching calls. And the way to do that, I give you so much free value out here. I give you so much free value to guilt you and bait you into getting the paid stuff. This happens pretty much 97% of the times out here. When somebody gives out a lot of value for free, he has so much more under his sleeve that, you know, that will be accessed if you pay it. I kind of sound like a fucking prostitute, like, you give me 50 bucks and that happens. Okay, it kind of went off topic. If he gives a lot of value out for free, and then he must have a lot of things up his sleeve for paid stuff. If you give a lot of value out for free, and then people just kind of fall to you and fall in love with you, and this is what happens. And I'm seriously exposing myself because these are things I'm doing myself. With this, I want you to put out free content on every platform out there. So I'm talking YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, preferably a blog, you know, kind of, I don't use Twitter myself, but I recommend you using it. Kind of your blog as well, and share it on Facebook and all of the social media platforms. Email as well, I'm crushing it on email, sending daily messages. I'm putting 4 blog posts a week, doing daily YouTube videos, doing 1 live on Instagram a week, daily Instagram stories, stuff like that, and just crush it. Just be on all platforms out there so that people don't forget about you. They cannot forget about you because you're literally everywhere. And for this not to be annoying, you must give value. You're gonna be annoying if you just are on all of those social media platforms and just talk about some bullshit. right? If you give out value, people will not get get bored of you. Because if you constantly put out value, they're gonna be, oh hell yeah, I gotta see this guy more. And guys, the thing with this is, when you put out free content that's high quality and high value, when you put out something that's paid, as I just said, people are gonna think it's gonna be better than that. And they're gonna be willing to pull out their wallets and pay you money. And you really have to feel this with your audience though. If you feel that your audience is really cold and not engaging, you're not gonna buy anything. If they're like super engaged, they talk with you every day, they answer to your polls on Instagram, they engage with the live stream, you're gonna be good to go. And this is what happens to me. Like, I fucking love you guys, and this is what keeps me motivated. A lot of you out there, you're just engaged with me everywhere, like literally everywhere. Every single post I put out, you you like, you do that stuff. And this is the point you have to be in your personal brand to really start making money. And this is where the big money is made, of course. Then if you don't have this level of authority, you can just make money by, you know, selling other people's products. And by this I mean affiliations. So an affiliate is, I want to sell this hat, the knowledge hat is what I call it. And you know, I don't have my own company, I don't have my manufacturer and stuff like that, but I want to sell it, and I trust and believe in the product. These are the two key words. You cannot sell something you don't trust or believe in. This hat I believe in and I trust in it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my Instagram story, make a video on this, like a review or something like that, and I'm gonna be reviewing this hat and making content based around this hat. And what do I have in the description of the videos? I have a link, and this is an affiliate link. When you click on it, it takes you to a site, and when somebody pays you money to get the hat, I mean, when somebody buys a hat, you're gonna get the commission. You can do this with Amazon courses, like for example, my own course. A bunch of stuff. I did this thing in 2 videos. 5 tools that optimize my business and 4 books you must read to build a great personal brand. And I'm giving you guys value and stuff. And I'm just talking about 4 books that helped me. I trust it. I believe in those products because those are the things I've purchased myself. I believe in. If I would be promoting this hat and I would not have it, why the fuck do you promote it? You need to promote things you believe in. Otherwise, you're just scamming people. Like you're kind of scammy. These are like the key things you need to remember. And pretty much I think I've covered everything. So guys, if you want to learn more about social media, how to make money off of it, how to grow your audience, just click the subscribe button and click the top link in the description. It's gonna be a different video which I told you about. And yeah guys, daily content on here, Instagram, 4 blog posts, daily emails. Subscribe to all of that shit if you want to get a lot of content, a lot of value. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna have to edit these videos. My editor is away, so peace.